Day 1 English speaking practice. First, mirror practice. Hey, how are you? You are looking beautiful and confident. I am enough. I can do this. I am strong. I choose joy. I am capable. I trust myself. I belong here. I am growing. I matter. I believe in me. I am at peace. Let it go. All is well. I am safe. Breathe in, breathe out. This too shall pass. One step at a time. I am present. I am worthy. Today is a good day. I appreciate today. I am loved. I attract good things. I am grateful. My mind is clear. I radiate light. I welcome happiness. Good things are coming. Part 2 Sentence Bank. Daily use phrases. Can you please repeat? I am still learning. Please speak slowly. I want to understand you. I am trying to find right word. Give me just a second. Could you explain what the word means? How do you pronounce this word correctly? I woke up early today and went to learn driving. I am trying my best to stay consistent every day. This is my practice notebook where I write new words. I need to finish my daily task before I relax. It was a busy day, but I am glad I made time to practice. I hope you are having a wonderful and productive day. Let's practice together and help each other grow. Part 3 Shadowing Practice. Life has this funny way of testing you. It whispers in your ear, are you ready to step up or are you going to wait for someday? Let me tell you something about someday. It's the biggest scam out there. We all dream about it. We all count on it. But the truth is, someday is just a distraction. When I just starting out, there were moments I questioned myself. Did I really do it? Did I have what it takes to stand out? Part 4 Fast reading. Discipline is the key to turning your dreams into reality and growing into the best version of yourself. It's about doing what is right, even when it feels hard or when you don't feel like it. As in, you are building a house, even small bricks, every single day. It helps you overcome challenges, stay positive when things get tough, and build a better future for yourself. Remember, discipline doesn't mean being perfect. And last one is audio recording. Hello, my name is Suchita and I live in India. Today I am starting my 30-day English speaking challenge and this is day 1. First, speaking practice in front of the mirror. I practiced 30 sentences in English. Second, I practiced 20 daily use phrases and wrote down them in my notebook. I want to use this sentence bank to track my progress. Third, I did my shadowing practice using a speech by Priyanka Chopra. I absolutely love her style of speaking. The way she speaks is amazing. I also did my fast reading practice where I tried my best to match the speed of a reading video. Right now, I am recording this audio so I can listen back and check my pronunciation and see how much I am improving. Tell me, where is your English level? Right now, I am at a beginner level and I am trying my best to become a fluent speaker. If you are learning English too, come join me on this 30-day challenge. Let's grow together. See you soon.